Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this used Vauxhall Corsa 1.2 SE, finished in a vibrant red paintwork. This 2020 model comes with a 1.2 petrol engine and manual transmission, ideal for a first car. This vehicle comes equipped with manual folding door mirrors for added protection, high beam assist headlights, and 16-inch alloy wheels. Moving into the boot space with a grey area perfect for your essentials or weekends away. Entering the rear seats with a full cloth trim finish with a two-tone material along the centre for luxurious feeling. Into the front with the multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, followed by the full cloth trim finish with the two-tone following through to the front, offering a comfortable driving experience. The steering wheel offers various audio controls, including cruise control and the speed limiter features. Onto the central infotainment system, you can access App Connect, which allows you to connect your phone to the car, so you can access apps such as Spotify or Apple Music whilst on the go. Using a USB charger, you can access your navigation system to make following directions and on journeys a lot easier. You have a variety of different radio stations that you can listen to keep you entertained along your journeys. The central console offers you your manual air conditioning, your cup holders and a storage space. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.